G'day legal scholars. In this video, we'll try to memorise a lot of content about the High Court. This is all background info that you'll probably be asked to use in longer form questions, rather than in a standalone question. The first thing you'll need to know is the basic structure of the High Court. There are three types of High Court. Firstly, there's single justice. That means just one High Court justice presides over the case. This relates to areas like treaties, disputes between states, and really serious federal crimes like treason. Secondly, there's the full court, which is when three justices sit. The full court mainly hears appeals from the Supreme Court and from other federal courts. Lastly, there's the full bench. This is when all 7 justices preside over a case. This mostly happens for cases relating to constitutional interpretation and for cases that have significant public importance. Next, let's look at the role, also known as the function, of the High Court. This information in particular is essential for you to memorise and understand. There are 3 main roles. The first is that the High Court acts as the guardian of the Constitution. It is the only body with the power to interpret the Constitution. Second, it makes sure that the Commonwealth and the states do not go beyond their lawmaking power. Thirdly, it interprets legislation and rules on some criminal cases.
Angus, by the way...
Yes, Michaela?
Can I tell you my memory technique for this?
Sure.
I picked out the key word from each of the roles. The first was guardian, the second was power, and the third was interpret. From there, I created a sentence. Grapes prevent insomnia. Grapes stands for the guardian, prevent for power, and insomnia for interpret. I read over this sentence a few times so that the role of the High Court became a piece of information that I just knew.
That's a great technique, Mickey. It's always helpful to use little memory techniques that work for you, especially when you're being asked to remember a lot of information. Thanks for watching, and remember, grapes prevent insomnia.